Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to show you a very special harvest. Okay, before I show you the special harvest, I want you to just guesswork you do and just put up a comment on that so that I'll be happy to know that you are correct. We'll see that whether you are correct or not. Okay, so before that, why I am showing the harvest episodes? You will be having a doubt why these harvests and all. Why I'm showing is what we do is we just plant a tree or something like that, and we put in some fertilizers, or we feed it with some water and all, and what all fertilizers we are using and what is the final result of it. We should definitely put up a video on this. Every time we have to put up what is the end product. So what we are doing, so mainly what we are doing, and what is the compost, what is the soil mix we are using, what we are doing, how much times we are watering, and everything we have to see, and what is the end product of it also we have to check up. So that is why I have been putting these small harvest videos. So of course I don't at a time I don't do all the harvest at a time, but small harvests I will be doing and showing you so that you can understand what we are doing and what is the end product of our gardens. Okay, of our methods, what we do and what we are getting. Okay, what we do, what we are fertilizing, what is the soil content, how we are watering, everything you have to observe, and what is the end product also you have to see, and then only decide whether we are doing correctly or not, and whether we have to do it more well and all. Okay, and see now, and going to the harvest point, I am having this these wonderful see here I am having of course I am having five, but I am going to harvest only 2 of them now. See here, I am going to harvest these 2. I think this is better again. Okay, see here. So these are the 2 guavas I am having. See, these are the 2 guavas I am having, and this is the this is what I am having, butta. So this one everyone likes it, and I think I can fill it up. Okay, so next what we are having a lot of these amaranthus. So I want to remove them. I mean before I used to cut them, but now I want to remove them. So because I am getting a lot of this leafy vegetable here, and I have got so much of it. So I am going to remove all these things. Okay, it will become too long for me if I show you all the time harvesting these leafy vegetables. See here, even I am having this one. See here, this is there and this is there. So much everywhere you will find this wonderful leafy vegetable, and I like to have this in my garden. Okay, and next what I want to harvest is this star fruit. Star fruit is also ripened, but this should be more bigger than this actually. Okay, so I want this to be more bigger. I have some more, but I will be harvesting only 2 of them. Okay, now see here, I have 2 star fruits here. And next what we are going to harvest is, of course I didn't forget, I forgot these lovely brinjals here. So I want to harvest all the some of the brinjals which are big. Okay, we have to remove all the bigger ones so that the smaller ones will grow, will get all the will be healthy. Okay, see here, I am getting a lot of brinjals. So many brinjals are there, and even they will be hiding too. See here, see here how they are hiding. Yeah, these brinjals are very tasty, and I love them. See here, even we have here, I want to leave this 2, and this cut this off. Okay, so this is how I am getting. And next what we are getting, of course I am having lot of leafy vegetables. So spinach, this Yes, some are here. You can see some chilies. Okay, chilies I am not having down, so I am taking from here. Okay, small little chilies, small ones are also only coming. So here also what we are getting is yeah, I have some brinjals here. I forgot. Here, I can also remove these. Okay, remove them because the other one which are small, they'll be healthy. Actually, this is not very healthy. Actually, see here, I'm getting like this, but it should be more healthy. Like, okay, we should take more care, then we'll get more healthy. So here also we have some leafy vegetables here, and this is another one which is having seeds. From which I'm getting seeds also. See here, all these can be planted. I will give off to someone else. Okay, see here, this leafy leaves. I'm going to take off all these. See here, such a lot of cut them off, nicely slice them off and put them in the fridge. Okay, and now yeah, this is another one here, this is another one here. And now what I'm having is, yeah, here you can see some ivy gourds as usual, and here, so many are there. I have been getting so many nowadays. Yeah, before 2-3 days back only I have harvested some, about I think 20 or something I have harvested, and again I have got some. Actually here, you can see here, I can get some 10 or something like that, but 2 days or 3 days before I have harvested about 20. Okay, that's enough for me. Okay, and next what? So this is the harvest which I take regularly. And what is the special harvest? I think yeah, I'll just check up whether you have commented, because anyone has commented on this, and yeah, I'll tell you what is the special harvest, special harvest of harvest. I'm having this. What is this? What is this? You have to tell me. I won't tell you. This I want to harvest, and today in the next video I am going to show you, because this video is becoming long and I don't think you will like this long videos. Okay, then thank you, and I feel that you should subscribe this. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get the get my videos. Please don't forget to press the like button also. I have observed that some of them are not pressing the like button. They are going to the comments section fast. So first of all, what I do is I press the like button and then go to the comment section. Okay, I think you can understand our problems. Okay, then thank you and bye.